Welcome to 181 Bishop Street in Alexandria, Ontario. With a local population of more than 10,000 people, Alexandria is an established industrial town, drawing skilled labor from all across Eastern Ontario. In fact, the train stops here 5 times a day. This building comes well equipped with more than 35,000 square feet of warehousing and second floor mezzanine space, along with 5 high docks. And look at this gorgeous lawn. Perfect for all your company picnics. Just remember, I like my burgers all dressed. So if you're looking to set up a facility in Eastern Ontario, come check out 181 Bishop Street. This building and this community have everything you need. The price for this property is unlisted. If you'd like to submit a closed bid by our closed bid date, give me a call. I'm happy to help you get into the building for a tour and arrange to get your bid submitted on time. For more information, check out my website, myottawaagent.com. I'm happy to help you with your next investment.